1, 2, 3. Myself a bite. I reached for the light when I walked through the door, but I tripped and knocked the big old pot down on the floor. I heard my dog bark. So much for that quiet. I heard my dog bark. I heard my dog bark. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. Well, it barked so loud that it woke up my cat. So what do you think? Bumblebee, who began to buzz. I heard my bee buzz. Buzz. I heard my bee buzz. I heard the lion roar. I heard the lion roar. I heard my horse neigh. I heard my horse neigh. I heard my cat meow, meow, meow. I heard my cat meow. Soon it was quiet, as quiet as a mouse. But then my pet mouse woke up from out of his drawer, and he tripped and knocked a big old pot down on the floor. I heard my dog bark. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. I heard my dog bark. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. So, why is it a good music therapy song? Because it gets kids vocalizing, gets them playing with their voice. Very important, because it's going to use all the same things that'll help them learn to speak. They'll practice their sounds, moving their tongue, moving their lips. All is vital for speech development. Also, you certainly can augment that by using pictures. Better than that even are puppets. And if you don't have the puppets mentioned in the song, just change the words around and use the puppets that you do have. You can give the puppets to the kids and let them kind of make a little puppet show, making the sounds each one in turn. You can use a toy mic or a real mic so that they can hear their sounds and the difference that they're making for the song and how they're contributing. It's also very good for attention span, as the kids will have to be really present in the song, in the moment, so that they can get their sound at the right time. So it's just a fun song. I thought I'd share it with you, and hope you come to my website, musictherapytunes.com, for some more good music, good lesson plans, and hopefully you'll learn something good. Take care.